Hello friends, I'm Ankit and welcome to my channel. Both US100 and US30 later yesterday has seen a good drop but try to recover strongly, specifically NASDAQ100 traded in green. Now what is going to happen today? Which trading strategy we should adopt today in order to make profit? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. The next update on both these two indices will be up just before the US cash session. So do watch till the end and do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Now look at the hourly charts on NASDAQ100. And yes, first we'll look into NASDAQ100 followed with Dow Jones. So if you look at the charts for NASDAQ100, see it is trying to consolidate here. Any breakout below this zone, that is 11,700, will be a strong breakout where one can expect it to drop till towards 11,650, 11,580 zone. This is going to provide a stronger support. You can find that this is going to be a very good support zone for NASDAQ100 for any further drop. Also, one must observe that on the hourly charts, it is giving you higher highs. So I'll be watchful there, and then it can try to come back till towards this zone before it looks over to a bounce back can be expected. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, one must observe that it is still trading bullish till the time it trades above 11,750. One can stay long and one can expect it to continuously rise. The next target is going to be first at around 11,900 and then towards 12,000 plus levels if it continues to trade. But I'll give you the trading levels later. First, let's listen to the analysis. The directional movement is bullish here on the hourly charts. The stochastic was overbought. It is trying to cool down a bit. The MACD is overbought and it is trying to converge and cross over for a bearish entry. RSI near to overbought levels, but this is just the story on the 2-hour charts. Let's have a look at the 3-hour charts too. On the 3-hour charts, see here, the story on the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, it is trying to give you higher highs, it is trying to give you higher lows, getting the support at 11,750. It is trying to consolidate a bit in between these levels, and yes, any good long entry beyond 11,800 40 levels can be taken, and beyond that one can expect a good rise. Below 11,750 there could be further fall, and then it will try to complete this gap. First target should be at around 11,650 levels. So 11,650 should be a very good support today. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also near to top. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see higher highs, lower lows. It is trying to trade within this. And yes, the next target on the upside should be at around 11,850 levels, which is going to provide a very strong resistance. Rather, I'll say 11,860. On the downside, 11,740, 11,720 level should be a good support. So in between these 140 points, we have to be cautious. Also, one must observe that it is trying to, this was the little retracement, and now it may try to reverse on the upside, but be watchful of these levels, as there is a strong possibility for it to come back till towards 11,600, 650 zone. If you look at the directional movement, this is bullish. Stochastic is overbought and the MACD is wide divergent and extremely bullish. Be watchful of this. RSI trading flat and near to top. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see the bullishness is diminishing in nature. It is trying to give you a reversal indication, and hence if you see it trading below 11,740, 11,720 levels, one can go short and one can again expect it to come back. On the downside, the first support should be somewhere here at 11,650, 600 and 580 zone. This zone is going to definitely provide a stronger support for any further drop on NASDAQ100. From there, a bounce back can be expected. The directional movement is bullish, it is divergent. The stochastic is overbought, and if you look at the MACD, this is also wide and divergent, and if you look at the RSI, this is trading flat here. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see the candle is yet to start. One must not forget the pivot is at around 11,600. With that as pivot, we have seen the lower lows at 11,350 levels, and it is trying to give you higher highs. So if you consider 11,600 as the pivot, 11,350 is almost 250 points, and if you consider that as a pivot strongly, one can expect that it has seen the higher highs also. So precisely it is trying to trade within this. The support at 11,350 is strong and the resistance at 11,850 is strong. So if you see it trading below 11, beyond 11,850, definitely that should be considered as a reversal, and one can expect that probably 11,900 and 12,000 levels should be breached today, and probably it may rise strongly on the upside. So because that is the breach of the higher highs which we have to see from these levels. And if you look at the daily charts also, one must observe that the 50 period moving average giving it a support here at around 11,740 levels. So be watchful of this, and in between 11,750 and 11,850 do not trade in between these 100 points. I'll be cautious. Below 11,750 there is a possibility for it to come back till towards 11,650 and 11,600 levels. 11,600 now is going to be a very strong support. With the support at 11,600 it can try to continue on the upside. So yes, there is a possibility that it can come back till towards 11,700 650 zone and try to reverse back again. Any move beyond 11,850 should be considered that as a bullish reversal. The directional movement is bearish on the daily charts. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI trading flat. Considering this, for the day one can go long above 11,850 levels. Beyond 11,850 first target is towards 11,920 and then 12,000 levels should be breached. Beyond that, yes, you can expect a further more rise. So stay long above 11,850, that is very clear. On the downside, once it draws below 11,740 levels, you can expect it to drop for 11,700 as the first target, 11,650 as the next target, and 11,600 as the third target. See, 11,600 650 zone is going to be a very strong support zone for NASDAQ 100 for any further drop. So be watchful of this. And yes, you can definitely enjoy these moves, and if you see a reversal from 11,600 you can again try to take a long entry there. There is a possibility for it to strongly reverse and then achieve 12,000 plus levels. So be watchful, trade accordingly, trade profitably, do trade with the trailing stop loss, do keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts getting a strong support here at around this zone 3850 and 3800. Any drop below 3800 should be taken as a bearish move, and one can expect that it will continue and resume the bearish moves, targeting till towards 3600 and then 3500 levels. Below 3500 there is going to be stronger fold. See, this is drop. So this is consolidating here on the hourly charts. I'll be watchful of 31,050, which is a stronger resistance. See, the directional movement is bullish, but it is trading with very minimal divergence. Stochastic is dropped now. The MACD is in green, the RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you will observe that we can see it trading with the pivot at around 3,900 and higher highs have been seen. Probably there is a possibility for it to drop till towards 3,800 levels. But right now it is trading with a good support. Let's see how it behaves on the different time frames. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is overbought, crossing over for a bearish move. The MACD is crossing over for a bullish move. Let's be watchful there. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts with the pivot at around 3950, it is trying to show you higher highs and it is trying to show you lower lows. So see, we have seen higher highs. The lower lows might take it till towards 3800. Any breach or any break or any drop below 3800 will take it further down. So be watchful of 3800 today and be watchful of 31050. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic near to overbought. The MACD is trading with a very little divergence. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see, the bullishness here is diminishing in nature. The candle size is diminishing in nature, and this is getting a little resistance here at 31050 precisely. You have to be watchful of this. At the same time, I'll be watchful of 31,850 levels. So be watchful of these 200 points in between 31050 and 3850. Below 3850 there could be further fall till towards 3800, and then breaking below 3800 there could be a little more drop till towards 3600 and 3450 levels. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking upwards on the 4-hour charts. MACD is trying to cross over on the 4-hour charts, and RSI trading flat almost. Now if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts one can observe that the pivot is somewhere here at around 31050. We have seen higher highs, we have seen lower lows, and this time in fact it tried to breach the further lows there. At the same time, if it sustains beyond 31050, one can expect that there is going to be further bullishness which might take it till towards 31350 levels, and beyond 31350 there is going to be stronger rise. So be watchful of 31050. At the same time, below 3840 or 840 levels one can expect 3750 to provide a support, and below 3750 one can expect 3600 3500 levels to provide a very strong support. It can drop till towards those levels today, if it continues to trade below 3840, 3800 levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking upwards, the MACD is trading flat but bullish, RSI trading flat too. Considering this, one can go long above 1050 levels. Beyond that, one can expect that it is going to hit 31,200, 31,350 levels, and beyond that it is going to give you a stronger bullish move on the upside. At the same time, one can go short below 3850. Below that, first support at 3800, and below 3800 there is going to be further fall till towards 3600 levels. Below that, one can expect further more towards 3500 levels. So take your trades accordingly, take your trades positions accordingly. I'll expect it to give, if you trades above 31050, one can expect very strong bullish move in Dow Jones today. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, you can be watchful of these levels. Always trade with the trading stop loss, always trade with the trading always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. And yes, if you have any trading or trading related queries, you can join or reach out to me. My email IDs and my Telegram official handle are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my next training batch, which is starting on 11th of July, where the strategy taught will definitely help you become a proficient and expert trader. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.